Have you ever wondered what it's like to stroll through a city where art and light come together to transform the urban landscape into a mesmerizing, living canvas? Welcome to the Amsterdam Light Festival 2024 Illuminating Art Experience. At White Tulip Hostel Amsterdam, we are not just a place to stay, but your gateway to all that this vibrant city has to offer. Every winter, Amsterdam bursts into a celebration of creativity and luminescence as international artists showcase their dazzling light installations across the canals, bridges, and streets. The festival is an awe-inspiring spectacle, and we are here to make sure you don't miss a single shining moment. Imagine walking along the historic canals, where beams of light playfully dance on the water's surface, and innovative light sculptures bring an enchanting atmosphere to familiar sights. The experience is a perfect blend of tradition and modernity, celebrating Amsterdam's rich cultural history while pushing the boundaries of contemporary art. What makes this festival truly special is not just the incredible visual display, but the stories and themes behind each piece. Every installation tells a unique tale, sparking imagination and conversation. Whether you're an art enthusiast or simply looking for an unforgettable experience, the Amsterdam Light Festival is something that will leave a lasting impression. Staying with us at White Tulip Hostel, you will be in the heart of the festival, surrounded by all the magic it has to offer. Our friendly staff can guide you to the best viewing spots and help plan your visit so you can soak in the art and ambience to the fullest. Plus, with rooms starting from just €30, you'll have more to spend on festival treats and souvenirs. Don't miss out on this spellbinding experience. Follow the link in the description to learn more and start planning your stay with us. Make your visit to Amsterdam a luminous journey you won't forget.